vibes only. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am back in the Bluebird. Just picked her up. She dirty as hell, but I don't even care. She rides so smooth. They did me right. Did me right. Got the new tires on here. It don't shake no more. Just, oh my gosh, she ride like a new vehicle. I swear she do. I am so glad to have her back. You have no idea. None. Oh my God. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you'll know when I upload a new video. Hey, what are you doing? Why are you stopping? You upload a new video. Oh my goodness. It feels so good to be back in here. Like, share, and comment. Now, I had an offer on here from another dealership of they offered me a 2019 Impala LT. I also got an offer of a 2019 Challenger. And I was, or I still am, thinking about doing it. Why? Because one, it'll come with a warranty, of course. Two, it's a 2019, a lot less miles. Not quite as fully loaded as this. That's the only bad part. But maintenance will be a lot cheap. You know, I won't have as much maintenance. Not that I want to do it, but it's something I do have to think about. Gas mileage. They're not V8s, of course. Well, the Challenger isn't. But it is the car that I want, but it doesn't have the motor that I want. That's the only difference. It doesn't have the upgrades that I want. So do I want to get myself upside down for a newer vehicle? And I'm sure I can talk them down on the price a little bit. I just don't know. I just don't know. I think with the Impala, it'd probably be a better bet for me for what else I want to do. But you can't beat this though. This Durango, oh my God. If you ever driven a Durango, you'd know. If you haven't, you need to go at least test drive one. I'm telling you, you'll fall in love with it. Now every car has its issues. I don't give a damn what you get. After a while, you're gonna have issues. This vehicle has 146,591 miles as of right now. So you gotta expect, you know, things are gonna go wrong, parts are gonna wear out. But if I can get another 145,591 miles out of it, it might be worth keeping. Now, there's nothing wrong with the motor. The motor is sound. It's a Hemi. But like anything else, as long as you keep up on the maintenance, keep the oil change, keep new plugs in it and all of that, keep a good tune on it, you know, it'll run forever. You know, as long as you ain't dogging it out. The Durango has every bell and whistle that you can get on a vehicle. You know, it's just the mileage, and you know, that's the only drawback of it. I had to put money into it. And remember, I was saying in my other videos, and if you have not went back and looked at my videos, or you haven't subscribed yet, what's wrong with you? I told you then when, come on out of there. I told you then it needed tires. The steering wheel would shake like crazy, and now I have no shake. She drives like a new vehicle with the new tires on here. Feels a lot. They even rides different. So I don't know. Y'all comment and let me know what you think. Leave a comment below. Should I pull the trigger? Or should I keep old Bluebird and drive it till the wheels fall off? I've come this far. I got good mechanics working on it to keep her up. I guess it's a question of how much more money do I want to put into it. And to be honest with you, I haven't really put that. I've had it a year. The only bad thing about it is the time, because the parts that needed to be put on here didn't really cost as much as you would think. So, like I said, it was just the timing of everything. The front end needing new replacement parts, which was under $500 to have it replaced. That's with labor. I had to buy an alternator. That was the most expensive thing that I've had to buy to date. And have it put on. And then now with the transmission cable, which is what was wrong with it. It was a transmission cable, the all-wheel drive button, and my door handle needed to be fixed. That's it. So all in all, I'm still under $2,000 with everything. So I can't even say she's a money pit, and I can't foresee anything else going wrong because she rides good, damn good. And then I got these new tires on here. She even rides, oh my God, like she's like I said, brand new money. And then you gotta think too, me being 6'7", am I gonna have a leg room in those two other vehicles, the Impala and the Challenger? Well, be honest with you, I will. I've sat in both. I do have just as much leg room as I do in here on the driver's side. There's actually, they're smaller vehicles. Yeah. I can't tow anything with either one of them. Well, with this, I can pull a trailer with a car easily. 8,000 pounds with this, I can pull it, with no sweat. This is all-wheel drive. Not that really makes too much of a difference here in Texas. I think all around, keeping this would be my best bet as far as the room and everything. But as far as having something new and not having to worry about all of that, anything breaking down or, because everything will be under warranty, I think that's the only pro that I can come up with that. Oh, and the gas mileage would be a lot better. But I don't do too bad